The Honda Motor Company built an empire on a single, unshakable promise: reliability. For decades, buying a Honda meant buying peace of mind. You put the key in the ignition, and the car starts. Period. It is a reputation that took half a century to build, creating a loyal customer base that blindly trusted the engineering prowess of the Japanese automotive giant. But right now, under the leadership of CEO Toshihiro Mibe, that legendary reputation is burning to the ground. Honda is currently engulfed in a catastrophic, $1.2 billion crisis. A manufacturing disaster so severe and so widespread that it has triggered a massive federal intervention by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, encompassing over 2.5 million vehicles. We are not talking about a faulty radio dial or a peeling weather strip. We are talking about the heart of the vehicle. We are talking about total, unpredictable, and potentially fatal engine stall while driving at highway speeds. And hiding beneath the hood of vehicles like the widely popular 2024 white Honda CR-V, is a complex mechanical nightmare that Honda executives are desperately trying to contain. To understand the magnitude of this billion-dollar catastrophe, we have to look at the exact anatomy of the failure. Modern Honda engines, specifically the acclaimed L15B 1.5-liter turbocharged power plant found in millions of Honda CR versus Civics and Accords, rely on a highly pressurized, perfectly timed delivery of fuel. This system requires two critical components to work in flawless harmony. First, the low-pressure fuel pump located inside the gas tank. And second, the high-pressure fuel pump mounted directly to the engine block. In a shocking twist of engineering failure, Honda has managed to deploy catastrophic defects in both of these critical systems simultaneously. Let us begin inside the gas tank. Honda contracted Denso, one of the largest automotive parts suppliers in the world, to manufacture their low-pressure fuel pumps. Inside this pump is a small, rapidly spinning plastic fan called an impeller. The impeller is responsible for drawing gasoline out of the tank and pushing it forward through the fuel lines toward the engine. Because this plastic part lives its entire life completely submerged in gasoline, its chemical composition and physical dimensions must be absolutely perfect. The clearance between the spinning impeller blades and the outer housing of the fuel pump is incredibly tight, measured in tiny fractions of a millimeter. But a dark secret was hiding inside the Denso manufacturing plants. During the production process, these plastic impellers were exposed to a chemical solvent used for drying. The factory left the impellers exposed to this production solvent for far too long. This excessive chemical exposure caused microscopic surface cracking on the plastic. More importantly, it resulted in an impeller with an abnormally low density. When these defective, low-density plastic impellers were installed into millions of Honda vehicles, including the 2024 Honda CR-V, a ticking time bomb was set. As the owner drives the car week after week, the low-density plastic acts almost like a sponge. It begins to absorb gasoline. As it absorbs the fuel, the plastic impeller actually swells. It deforms and expands outward. Remember that razor-thin clearance between the impeller and the pump housing? It vanishes. The swollen plastic blades violently strike the inside wall of the fuel pump body. The friction builds, the pump seizes, and the impeller stops dead. When the fuel pump stops, the engine is instantly starved of gasoline. Imagine driving a 2024 white Honda CR-V down a busy interstate at 70 miles per hour with your family in the car. Suddenly, without warning, the check engine light illuminates. The engine begins to run rough, hesitating and shuddering as the last drops of fuel are burned. And then, a complete loss of motive power. The engine completely dies. You lose power steering. You lose power brakes. You are now piloting a 3,500-pound metal brick surrounded by high-speed traffic. This horrifying scenario is precisely why the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration forced Honda into a massive recall under campaign number 23V858. The logistical nightmare of recalling 2.5 million vehicles is staggering. Honda dealerships across the country were immediately overwhelmed. Mechanics were forced to drop fuel tanks, remove the rear seats, and manually extract the gasoline-soaked pumps to replace the defective impellers with newly formulated, higher-density parts. Honda had to issue stop sale orders to their dealerships, legally forbidding them from selling affected models sitting on their lots until the repairs were made. The initial estimates placed the financial damage of this recall alone at well over $1 billion. Warranty claims flooded the system. Class action lawsuits were filed across the United States and Canada, ultimately forcing Honda into a proposed settlement where they had to extend warranty coverage for affected fuel pumps to an unprecedented 15 years or 150,000 miles. But just when CEO Toshihiro Mibe thought the bleeding had stopped, an even more terrifying engineering failure was uncovered. While the low-pressure pump inside the gas tank was failing and starving the engine of fuel, a high-pressure pump mounted directly to the engine was actively cracking apart and spraying raw gasoline into the engine bay. In late 2024, Honda was forced to issue another massive stop sale and safety recall, NHTSA campaign number 24V763, affecting over 720,000 vehicles. This specific defect heavily targeted the newer fleet, including the 2023 and 2024 Honda Accord, and the highly popular 2023 through 2025 Honda CR-V hybrid models featuring the 2.0-liter Atkinson engine. The engineering autopsy of this high-pressure fuel pump failure is truly fascinating and deeply concerning. The high-pressure pump takes the fuel sent from the gas tank and pressurizes it to extreme levels before injecting it directly into the engine cylinders. Inside this pump is a critical metal component called the solenoid core. During manufacturing, this metal core undergoes a plating process, which requires the metal to be baked at a very specific, high temperature to stabilize the material. According to the official defect reports submitted to the federal government, a Tier 2 supplier used by Honda failed to properly bake the solenoid core. The temperature was too low. Because the baking temperature was insufficient, residual hydrogen gas was left trapped deep inside the metal material itself. Over time, as the high-pressure pump operated under the intense heat and vibration of the engine, this trapped hydrogen caused a metallurgical phenomenon known as hydrogen embrittlement. Hydrogen embrittlement is an insidious process where the metal becomes brittle and loses its structural integrity from the inside out. Tiny, unpenetrated cracks began to form inside the solenoid core. As the owner of a brand new 2024 Honda CR-V drove their vehicle, the mechanical stress caused these hidden cracks to grow. Eventually, the metal completely fractured. The result is a high-pressure fuel leak directly into the engine compartment. Unlike the low-pressure pump failure which simply causes the car to stall, this defect creates a severe risk of catastrophic fire. Raw, pressurized gasoline leaking onto a hot engine block is a recipe for disaster. The NHTSA warned that a fuel leak in the presence of an ignition source significantly heightens the risk of a spontaneous vehicle fire. Honda's internal chronology of this failure reveals a frantic corporate scramble. The first warranty claim hit their desks in February 2023. By March, market quality reports were sounding the alarm. Honda engineers spent months investigating the supplier, desperately trying to understand why brand new engines were reeking of gasoline. Finally, in September 2024, Honda confirmed the terrifying reality of the hydrogen embrittlement and immediately halted shipments of the affected vehicles. Dealerships were sent urgent service bulletins instructing mechanics to use specialized hydrocarbon emission testers. If a customer brought in their 2024 white Honda CR-V, the mechanic would wave the electronic sniffer over the engine bay. If the digital display detected gasoline vapors, the vehicle was grounded immediately. The combined weight of these two colossal engineering failures has sent shockwaves through the automotive industry. How does a company synonymous with bulletproof reliability manufacture millions of vehicles with fuel pumps that either seize up from cheap, swollen plastic or crack open from improperly baked metal? The answer lies in the harsh reality of modern global automotive manufacturing. In the relentless pursuit of volume and cost reduction, automakers rely on a sprawling network of third-party suppliers. When a company like Denso or a Tier 2 plating facility makes a microscopic error, a single miscalculation in chemical solvent drying time, or a slight drop in a baking oven's temperature, that error is multiplied millions of times over before the automaker even realizes a mistake has been made. For CEO Toshihiro Mibe, the crisis is far from over. Replacing the fuel pumps in over 3 million combined vehicles requires an astronomical supply chain mobilization. Dealerships are facing severe parts shortages, forcing frustrated customers to drive potentially dangerous vehicles while they wait for countermeasure replacement parts to be manufactured. Customers who paid top dollar for the peace of mind that the Honda badge historically provided are now left questioning their purchase. The 2024 white Honda CR-V sitting in your driveway is a marvel of modern design, comfort, and efficiency. But beneath the pristine white paint and the refined interior, the mechanical reality of its fuel delivery system is a stark reminder that even the greatest titans of automotive reliability are vulnerable to catastrophic failure. The $1.2 billion crisis is not just a financial blow to Honda's balance sheet. It is a fundamental breach of trust. A reminder that in the complex world of modern engineering, a single swollen piece of plastic, or a microscopic bubble of hydrogen, can bring a global empire to a grinding halt.